Hello everyone, my name is Jay Partee and I am currently a full-time graduate student at the University of Georgia. I'm within the MAT Social Studies Education program, and I actually recognize some of you from earlier this semester, so it's good to see you again. I do have prior teaching experience. I taught for 1 year at South Gwinnett High School in Snellville, and my wife, uh, she's still teaching at South Gwinnett. She'll start her 5th year this upcoming fall, and she recently graduated with her MED in Gifted and Creative Education from UGA. So if I have any questions, I will be sure to ask her. And teaching at South Gwinnett did expose me to several issues relating to education and equity, particularly racial equity, as the gross majority of my students are either black or multiracial, multicultural, identifying as black, and we would often discuss issues about race, social issues, and politics all the time. And I often encouraged it. And I would fold it into the curriculum and into the lesson plans. So within this class, I look forward to filling in the gap, so to speak, as I'm still very new to teaching. I did have a year of experience, but I had basically no idea what I was doing. I sort of faked my way until the end of the year, and I decided to go ahead and get my master's to better educate myself, to better progress myself within my career as a teacher. So again, I greatly look forward to this class and working with each one of you.